What's up, guys? All right, so on this one here, the complaint is that the sink is not draining. I filled it up with hot water, and it's just draining very slow. I'm gonna take it apart, see what's going on. All right, so look at all this nice buildup. It's crazy. That's why we don't have any water flow. You can see there's only like a opening the size of a pencil. It's crazy. All right, so this is downstairs. This is the master. This is his and hers. This sink here seems to be draining better. It doesn't have any AC tie-ins to it, but this one does. And it's still holding water. It's going down very, very slow. So we're gonna do the same to this one as we did to the other one. Take it apart. I have a coupling to put the AC drain back together. So we should be good there. All right, so I got this to scrape it off. It's not a special tool or anything. I just got anything that could reach. At least you can see inside it now. It was very backed up, or blocked up, I should say. All right, so we are nice and clear now. We're gonna have to just reset this just like that, and we'll have to add a coupling right there. Now we'll try again, see what it does now. All right, so I filled this up with hot water. I'll wash my hands too. Let's see what it does now. First, we check for leaks. And also we make sure that it's draining in this case. Looks good to me. All right, so this is downstairs. This is the master. This is his and hers. This sink here seems to be draining better. It doesn't have any AC tie-ins to it, but this one does. And it's still holding water. It's going down very, very slow. So we're gonna do the same to this one as we did to the other one. Take it apart. I have a coupling to put the AC drain back together. So we should be good there. Alright, so this is the drain that goes in the master. There's an AC drain side to it, so we'll do the same thing. All right, so this here was washed out, but there's a lot of sludge in the drain there. So I'm gonna run this little snake there, flush it out with hot water, and we should be good. Probably more than enough, so I'll just turn it there. Hopefully it can clean the walls off a little bit, and then once we tie everything back together, we can flush it with hot water. All right, so we put this back together. All right, it's draining perfect. All right, and I took this one apart. There was very minimal stuff in the P-trap, but we do see this hair there, so I removed our little rod here, and you can see a whole bunch of hair in there. Check it out. Nice and pretty. All right, so we got it out. there it is. I'm gonna put everything back together and it should be good. All right, so this is back together. All the stuff we pulled out. Let's try it out. Make sure it's not leaking. All right, it's filled up. Let's test it out. Okay, so it's draining now. And there's no leaks. I think that's good. All right, so here we got a drippy faucet. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off one at a time to see which one is dripping. So I turned off the hot side. So we'll see if it stops or continues. It looks like it stopped. Let me turn off the other side. Turn that one off. And I turn on the hot back again, and it's dripping. So just to confirm, I'll turn it off again. And that looks like it stopped, so we have a bad cartridge on the hot side. All right, so the water is off to both sides. We're gonna have to replace this hot cartridge. All right, so here's our part. We'll inspect it real quick. Looks like some calcium buildup here. But we'll go ahead and swap it out for a new one. You also want to make sure that there's nothing left behind in here. It feels pretty good, so. All right, so we found a new part. It is 1224. It's for handle faucet and tub shower replacements. All right, so it already comes lubricated. And again, this one here has a slot right there. And here's our slot on the cartridge. So easy enough. You just match it up and push it down. You just make sure it went in, and it did. Here's our nut. And here, all this is doing is just holding it down, so you don't want to break anything either. All right, so to put your handle in, you want to look at the shape. So to put the handle, you want to look at the orientation of this inside part. If you have this facing the wrong way, it's not going to go in. So around, our curved part is on this side, kind of just like this. So you screw it in a bit, and then you should be able to catch. Screw it all the way down, turn the water on. Okay, and then here, I'll just make sure this is tight. Okay, turn your water back on. Here, you press this. But the important thing is to make sure it stops dripping. So we'll take a look at it for a minute or two. All right, so the dripping stopped. We'll just clean up, and that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.